In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to go back an episode on Amazon Prime Video. If you've ever found yourself wanting to revisit a previous episode of a show you're watching. Now, to revisit a specific episode, we need to head over to the Continue Watching section. This is where Amazon Prime Video conveniently displays all the content you've started but haven't finished. Scroll down the homepage until you see this section. Look for the series you've been watching and wish to rewind and click on Resume. This will begin playback right where you left off. At this point, the episode player will open. To proceed effectively, locate and click on the Close Player option or the X icon. This simple action exits the playback and takes you back to the series overview page where you can select individual episodes. Next, look for the Episodes tab on the series overview page. This tab is vital as it contains all the episodes of the particular season you're watching. Click on this tab to bring up the complete list of episodes for the show. Now comes the straightforward part, selecting the episode you want to watch again. Browse through the list of episodes until you find the one you'd like to revisit. Once you've identified your target episode, simply click on it. The episode will load and playback will start, bringing you back to the scenes and stories you were eager to re-experience. By following these steps, you can confidently navigate the Amazon Prime Video platform to revisit any past episode of your favorite show. It's simple, quick, and gives you the flexibility to enjoy your streaming experience fully. If you have any questions or need additional help, don't hesitate to reach out to Amazon Prime Video's customer support. They offer a wealth of resources to ensure you continue enjoying their vast library of content without any hitches. With these steps, you're now fully equipped to manage your viewing journey on Amazon Prime Video, from skipping back to old favorites to discovering new shows. Happy streaming!